Hi all my crafty friends, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. I have another fun project for us to work on today. I had purchased these two white Christmas trees from Dollar Tree, not knowing for sure what I was going to do with them. And then I found these adorable little feet at Dollar General, and I knew I wanted to make a Christmas tree gnome. After taking the trees out of the box and removing the bottom piece, it was time to figure out how to attach the trees to the shoes. The first thing I did was use a piece of white yarn to tie the bottom two pieces together. And then I tied the top two pieces together with the yarn also. I next removed the decorations from the boots. I used my glue gun to heat up the glue so I could remove it and the decorations. I tried just pulling all these decorations off, but this glue was really super tight, so like I said, I had to use my hot glue gun to get all this stuff off. To attach the boots to the trees, I used a ton, and I mean a ton, of hot glue, and pressed the boots against the bottom of the tree. After I had the tree glued to the boots, it was time to work on the hat. I picked up this cute buffalo plaid fabric at Walmart on Black Friday. I cut it down to the size I thought I would need, and then used my iron to fold the raw edges down. I then used my hot glue gun to fold the pieces on top of each other and glue it together so that it would be one piece of fabric. And by doing this, the hat actually fit pretty well. I decided to use this eyeball I got at Halloween for the nose. I painted it with some red chalk paint and dried it with my hot air gun. The fun part was using the hot air gun and the eyeball rolling all over the place. I used hot glue to attach the nose to the tree. I thought the hat was a little too plain, so I decided to take the fur off of the stocking, put it on the hat for the trim. This did make a mess, but I think it was worth it. I am still picking white fur off my clothes. After cutting the fur down to size, I glued it to the rim of the hat. Felt like it still needed more color, so I glued several red pom-poms to the tip of the hat. I just love how this Dollar Tree Christmas tree gnome turned out. I think he's just so adorable and perfect for my holiday decor. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel. I upload weekly home decor DIY videos, and you know you don't want to miss any of those. So hit the bell notification to be notified when I upload a new video. Merry Christmas! And as always, thanks for watching.